Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to this vital discussion about the trials, tribulations, and challenges faced by the Muslim Ummah today. May Allah grant us understanding, steadfastness, and clarity in these difficult times. In our previous discussion, we talked about the various signs and challenges foretold by our beloved Prophet Muhammad, including the emergence of liars, false prophets, and ideologies that aim to mislead us from the straight path. Let us now delve deeper into these realities and explore how we, as Muslims, can safeguard ourselves and our families from falling into the traps of misguidance. The Prophet Muhammad said, "There will arise liars in my ummah, 30 in number, each claiming to be a prophet. But I am the seal of the prophets, and there is no prophet after me." This warning is particularly relevant today, in an era of social media and instant communication. We see individuals and groups misinterpreting the Quran and Sunnah, spreading confusion, and diluting the true essence of Islam. Some go as far as introducing beliefs that blend Islam with ideologies from other religions, like Hinduism, Buddhism, and modern secular philosophies. Others openly reject clear commandments, saying that they are outdated or unnecessary. This is not merely an intellectual challenge, it is a test of our faith, our understanding, and our connection with Allah and His Messenger. But in the face of these trials, there is always hope. The Prophet Muhammad assured us that a group from his ummah would always remain steadfast on the truth, preserving the pure message of Islam. These individuals will emerge in every era, standing firm as a beacon of light in times of darkness. So, my dear brothers and sisters, what can we do to ensure that we stay on the right path? Let's explore a detailed roadmap for remaining steadfast in these challenging times. Seek knowledge from authentic sources. One of the primary reasons people fall into confusion is a lack of proper Islamic knowledge. It is crucial to learn your deen from authentic and qualified scholars, those who have dedicated their lives to studying the Quran, Sunnah, and the understanding of the early generations. Avoid relying on unverified online sources or individuals who lack proper credentials. As the saying goes, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. This holds true especially in matters of religion. Take the first step to learn. There are countless resources available online and offline, including teachers, apps, and courses. Start small, but stay consistent. Reflect on the meanings of the Quran, and don't hesitate to seek help in understanding its context. The Quran speaks to every generation and every situation. It is truly timeless. Turn to Allah through dua. Dua is a powerful weapon for the believer, especially in times of confusion and hardship. Make it a habit to ask Allah for guidance, protection, and clarity. Here's a beautiful dua you can recite regularly. O Allah, my Lord, with all your lofty names and glorious attributes, I seek refuge in you from all trials and tribulations, those apparent and those hidden. Repeat this dua often, especially during moments of vulnerability. Trust in Allah's wisdom and mercy, knowing that He will never burden a soul beyond its capacity. Follow the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad. The life of the Prophet serves as a comprehensive guide for navigating all aspects of life. His teachings are not just rituals, they are lessons in patience, compassion, and resilience. By emulating his character and actions, we can find solutions to modern challenges. Whether it's how to deal with adversity, maintain family ties, or interact with non-Muslims, the Sunnah offers us a clear and balanced approach. Beware of ambiguity and misinterpretation. One of the greatest dangers of our time is misinformation. With the rise of social media and the internet, anyone can present themselves as an authority on Islam. This has led to widespread confusion and debates over issues that were once clear. Allah warns us in the Quran, "And do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge." Surah Al-Isra, 17:36. If you encounter something that confuses you, seek clarification from reliable sources. Do not act on assumptions or hearsay, as this often leads to division and harm. Strengthen the next generation. Our youth are the future of the Ummah, and they face immense challenges today, from identity crises to peer pressure and the influence of modern ideologies. It is our responsibility to guide them with love, patience, and understanding. Spend time with your children, listen to their concerns, and support them in their struggles. Share stories from the Quran and the lives of the prophets to inspire them. Above all, led by example, your actions will leave a deeper impact than your words ever could. Finally, my dear brothers and sisters, let us never lose hope. Trials and tribulations are a part of life, but they are also an opportunity for growth and purification. We ask Allah to guide us, protect us, and keep us steadfast on the path of truth. May He forgive our sins, strengthen our hearts, and unite us as an Ummah. Thanks for joining us in this important discussion. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.